Welcome. Take this moment just for yourself. Find a comfortable seat, close your eyes, and let your hands rest gently on your lap or at your heart. Begin with a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel your body soften as you release any tension. Now, bring your awareness to the ground beneath you. Notice the steady support of the earth, holding you with ease. Imagine roots growing gently from your body into the ground, keeping you stable and connected. With each inhale, breathe in calmness. With each exhale, let go of stress, worry, and any thoughts that no longer serve you. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Just notice the thought and bring your focus back to your breath. Inhale, pause, exhale. Like waves flowing in and out, now bring attention to your heart. Feel the rhythm of your breath and imagine a soft light glowing there. With every inhale, that light grows brighter, filling your body with peace and warmth. Stay here, breathing slowly, feeling the harmony of your body and mind. And as we come to the end of this short practice, take one final deep breath in. Hold it, and let it go with a long sigh. Gently bring awareness back to your surroundings, wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Remember, even just a few minutes of stillness can create balance for your whole day. Thank you for sharing this moment of calm. Follow for more guided meditations.